If you're watching the FIFA World Cup on a Fire TV or Firestick, Amazon has just rolled out a new feature that could save you a lot of frustration. I'll be cheering on England this year. Who are you supporting? Drop your team in the comments now. We've got viewers from all over the world, so it'll be interesting to see which nation gets the most support. This year's tournament is the biggest ever, with 48 teams and 104 matches. So finding where each match is being shown could get messy very quickly. To help with that, Amazon is launching a dedicated FIFA World Cup 2026 hub directly on the Fire TV home screen and Sports tab. Instead of opening multiple apps and searching around for the match, this hub brings live games, full replays, highlights and tournament news into one place. In the US, the experience is powered by Fox One, which gives subscribers access to all 104 live matches. And this is not only for the US. Amazon says similar World Cup hubs are also launching in the UK, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, France, Germany, Italy and Spain. In the UK and Germany, Fire TV users will also get free tournament highlights and expert commentary through the Fire TV Channels app. Amazon is also adding Alexa Plus support, so you can use your voice remote to ask things like, "Alexa, take me to the football match on now." "What live football matches are on today?" Or "What was the score of the South Korea match?" But here is the big tip. Before the tournament starts, turn on your Fire Stick, look for the new World Cup section, update your main streaming apps, and make sure you are already signed in. Because the last thing you want is to sit down for kickoff only to spend 15 minutes typing in passwords with a Fire Stick remote while the match has already started. So check your Fire TV home screen, Sports tab or Featured section now. And if the new World Cup hub has appeared on your device, drop a comment below with your country and let me know what options you're seeing. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, turn on notifications and share this with anyone using a Fire Stick and watching the World Cup. If you want direct help with your Fire Stick, access to content I can't post publicly or priority replies, check out my channel memberships. Members get into my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap join below. Give me a follow over on X and TikTok and check out the NordVPN YouTube channel for more streaming content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.